Has ordered the release of 2 billion naira for the reconstruction of Mokwa town and 20 trucks of assorted items to be released and distributed to the victims of the recent flood disaster. Vice President Kashim Shettima, who disclosed this when he led a federal government delegation to commiserate with the government and people of Niger State, also stated that the president has also directed the Ministries of Environment and that of Agriculture to immediately commence the reconstruction of the drainage in Mokwa town. Shettima said while the federal government has taken these steps, other arms of government should rise to the present situation, adding that they have roles to play in the governance of the state. The federal government has strengthened the collaborative initiative with the Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA, in a partnership that aims to support Nigeria's food production systems and enhance resilience and global supply challenges. This came to the fore when the Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy, Mr. Wale Edun, and the Minister of Agriculture and Food Security, Senator Abubakar Kyari, met with senior representative of the Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA, to advance the implementation of the Flood Security Emergency Loan Support Program. The 15 billion Japanese yen facility, approximately $110 billion, aims to support Nigeria's food production systems and enhance resilience and ongoing global supply challenges. With the rainy season now underway, both ministers emphasized the importance of swift, coordinated action to maximize impact for farmers and rural communities. Microsoft founder Bill Gates says that most of his fortune will be spent on improving health and education services in Africa over the next 20 years, adding that by unleashing human potential through health and education, every country in Africa should be on a path to prosperity. Speaking in Ethiopia's capital, Addis Ababa, he also urged Africa's young innovators to think about how to build artificial intelligence to improve healthcare for the continent. At the Goalkeepers Nigeria event in Lagos, Gates reaffirmed that strengthening primary healthcare system remains the most effective strategy for improving health outcomes and closing the gap in global health inequality. He said despite decades of progress, most child deaths under 5 still occur in low-income countries. Children born in Africa are still 50 times more likely to die below the age of 5 than those in high-income countries. Gates announced last month that he will give away 99% of his vast fortune by 2045, which he expects to reach $200 billion when his foundation plans to end its operations. The Nigerian Communications Commission (NCC) has directed deposit money banks (DMBs) to stop deducting charges from unstructured supplementary service data (USSD) transactions directly from customers' accounts. Charges will now be deducted from users' mobile airtime effective from June 3. The latest directive is seen as another move by the Commission to address the historical USSD payment conflict between mobile network operators and commercial banks. In December 2024, the Central Bank of Nigeria and the NCC directed mobile network operators and DMBs to resolve the long-standing 250 billion naira USSD debt, which eventually saw 9 banks being kicked out early this year.